Hello everyone, so back to our online class. I have one example from your book, page number 170, example 10.2. So we'll try to solve this example. You can directly look to the question at your book. Still for reference of myself, I have written the question in the book. So first, let us read what is given in the question. An object is placed at 25 cm in front of concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed to obtain sharp image? Find the nature and size of image. So from the question, first you have to learn or first you have to know what things are given, what things are provided or what information has been provided in the question. So first of all, we have to write down all the information together. We'll start like this. First, if for any question, you will write given. What things are given there? In that, whenever you write given, it decreases a lot of work. First of all, given, an object is placed at 25 cm in front of concave mirror. So the first information we have that it is a concave mirror. Then is placed at 25 cm. That means this 25 cm is actually the object distance. U equal to 25 cm. Now, for concave mirror, we know object is always placed to the left. So this 25 will be minus. You will get this information in the previous video where I plotted these things according to a table. Next information, we have of focal length 15 cm. The focal length of the mirror is given as 15 cm. Similarly, for concave mirror, focal length will also be negative. If you find any problem while putting up this information, you can draw a small image regarding to this mirror. Since it is a concave mirror, it will be like this. Principal axis, focus, center of curvature. So object is 25 cm, it will be somewhere here. Means it is to the left. Does not matter where you are drawing. Then focus is to the left. It will be 15. Now we have to find at what distance from the mirror a screen should be placed. That means we will be getting an image somewhere on the screen. So to get an image, we need to find V. That means we have to find image distance. This term we have to find. Then the last information or last thing which is asked, find nature and size of the image. That means we have to find the H dash also. Size is said no, so it will be the height of the image, how much bigger the image or how much smaller the image can be or will be. Okay, so let us start with this. First, we have the formula 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. I will be doing that in a little bit congested way. You can, if you don't understand, you can refer to the book also again. Okay, in this part I actually left one small information. An object 4 cm in size. That one I have left actually my mistake. 4 cm in size. That one you can look in your book. The question is given more precisely in the book. So also here now we have one more thing. The size of the object is given. That means the height of the object is given, which is 4 cm. Yes. So I am doing it here. So first see how we will plot all the given information in the question or in the formula. 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So 1 by V, we have to find V. We don't know the value of V. So leave it like this, 1 by V. Then we have a plus. I'll put the plus. I'll put, then we have 1 by U. I will put the value of U from here, which is minus 25. So I am taking it like this, minus 25 within brackets. equal to 1 by f. So 1 by, we have the focal length minus 15 centimeter. Again I am making this one in bracket, minus 15. Next, 1 by v, we will remove the brackets, so it will become minus 1 by 25 equal to, again we will remove the brackets, it will become minus 1 by 15. Then next step, I will take this minus 25 to that side, and then it will become 1 by v equal to, this is already there, minus 1 by 15. So when minus 1 by 25 will go to the other side of equal, it will become plus, the sign will change, it will become plus 1 by 25. Then we have to take the LCM of 15 and 25. So 1 by v equal to LCM of 15 and 25 will be, if you cannot find it directly, you can solve it likewise. So 15, 25, we solve it. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 3 1. So 5 5s are 25 and 25 3s are 25 into 3 will be 75. So LCM of this term will be 75. So I'm writing it here, 75. Now we solve this one, as I think you all must know how to solve terms related to the numerator and denominators in the fractions. So this is 75, this is 15. So 15 into 15. Okay, this one, since it's minus, will be here minus. So 15 to the 30, 15 for the 60, 15 5 to 75. So here will be 5. 15 5 to 75, 5 into 1, 5. And 25 into 3 is 75. So 20, this will be plus 3. Then we will get 1 by v equal to, we will total this one, whatever it will come, minus 5 plus 3 will be minus 2 by 75. Now we have 1 by v equal to minus 2 by 75. Now we need to find the value of v. We'll reciprocate it. We'll turn it upside down. We will go to the top. It will become like this. V equal to 75 by minus 2 centimeter. We are doing reciprocate of this side to the left side, so the right hand side will also become reciprocal. It will also turn upside down. So V equal to 75 by minus 2. So finally we will get V equal to minus, means we have to divide 75 by 2. We will divide this one, so finally it will become 2 3 is 6, 15, 2 7 is 14.5 centimeter. We got V equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. So from here, what can we know? We got V equal to minus. That means the image will also form to the left side of the mirror. And in the concave mirror, till now we have learned that whenever V is minus, that means the image is real and inverted. Again, according to the question, we have to find the size of image. So we go to the magnification formula. I gave the magnification formula as m equal to h dash by h equal to minus b by u. We have h, the value of h. We have the value of u. We now got the value of v. So we, instead of using this m, we can directly use the formula from this part. H dash by h equal to minus v by u. We will use directly this part only. So it will become like this. H dash, we don't know, we have to find out. we have the value of h, which is 4 centimeter, equal to, we have 1 minus from earlier in the formula. Again we have the value of v minus 37.5. So minus 37.5 will be within brackets. Then we know the value of u, which is minus 25 centimeters. So it will be minus 25. Now we remove the brackets. It will be like this. H dash equal to 37.5 divided by minus 25 divided by 4. So finally, if you go cross multiplication, you will get the value of h dash, which will be 37.5 into 4 divided by minus 25. So finally, your h will come in minus, which is minus 6 cm. You can directly, if you have a problem, you can solve it and try it. I don't have enough space in my board left, so I directly wrote it there. It will be h dash will be minus 6 cm. After solving everything, we'll get it like this. Now, in the question it is asked, find nature and size of the image. So I don't have enough space. You can write in your copy. I'm just telling it, or you can refer from your book. First of all, the size of the image is minus 6 centimeter. Now you look here, the size of the image is bigger than size of the object. Size of the object is 4, size of the image 6. You don't have to consider this minus. I previously also I told. Minus in this magnification or mirror part does not mean it is smaller value or bigger value. Minus simply shows that either the object is to the left of the mirror or sometimes to the bottom or lower side of the principal axis, which shows minus. So here we know about the nature from here, right? The image is to the left of the mirror and the image is real and inverted. Also, the image is bigger than the object. So it is already there in your book. You can refer it from there. And if you don't understand, you feel free to ask. Thank you.